Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach how to pass a value one page to another page. First of all, I need to create two pages. So click add new item. Here I am choosing web form. Is by default it will come default.aspx and click add. This is page 1 and same wise I am click another new page, so using web form, and this is default 2 and click add. Okay, I have two forms right now. So first I am opening default form. Here I need to add one button. So just inside a div section I need to just paste this button here. So double click the button, it will come button 1. Okay, now I am running this project, this form. See, here I have one button. Okay, so I click the button. I need to reload the page 2, that means default 2. So double click this button here. I need to create the element like a click element. Double click this button, so it will come through the coding section. Here I am writing response dot redirect to default default 2.aspx. Now I am just put save and click run. Just I am going to this browser. Just I am put the refresh here. So now I am click the button. Response dot redirect and click run the project. Now I am click this button, so it will go to default.2. So go back it default and click this button, it will comes default 2. By the difference, so I need to add some colors here. Body, color equal to red. So now I will save the project, save the form, and just run the default form and click run and run. Here I am click this button, so it will come form 2. Okay, page 2. Okay, now I need to pass the value to form 2 like a default page 2. So here I need to create one label. Now I am going to the coding section, view code. Right click anywhere and click view code. Here default section I need to write. I need to, first of all I am going to default form. Here in button click option, here I need to write some, I need to store some values to the form 1 and transfer that value to form 2 right now. So okay, session name value equal to, here I am pasting some values. Welcome to page 2. Welcome to page 2. Here I am stored this value, welcome to page 2, welcome to ASP.NET. Okay, welcome to ASP.NET. I am mentioned welcome to ASP.NET. This is form default page. Okay, now I am going to the default page 2. Here I need to write label1 dot text equal to session value to string. So why I am using this to string? It will convert the session value into string, and after that it will pass the values into label1. Now I am saving all the pages and go to default page and click run here, and just go. Now I have the like button, so I hit the button, so the page 2 it will come welcome to the ASP.NET. This is a method 1. This method 1 I am using the session method, and now I will create the another method. So I need to add one more button here. So just double click the button. This is button 1 and this is button 2. Like I am using method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2. So now going to the design section and double click this method 2 buttons. It will create the event for click event for this form. Here I need to create cookies. So this is another method. So I am creating the cookies and I am reading the cookies from the form. Okay, now here I need to copy this form. Here response dot cookies I need to user. I need to use any value here. User key value is user value 1 equal to this is retrieving. This is my name. So I am creating the cookies. Likewise I need to set the cookies the expiry date also. Expiry express cookies dot so just I am copy these lines and paste it. Dot expires. So dot here I am set dot expiries equal to, so I am setting the expiry date today. So date time dot now dot today. This is 1 day. So these cookies only working today only. But the difference between the cookies and session it will be run. So I will explain the session also. Before that you have to see how it's working or and all. Okay, so I'm passing those values like okay. Now I'm going to the form 2. Here I need to create one more label. Yes, Control V. This is label 2. So okay, now I'm going to the view code. Here just press in form load section and enter label 2 dot text equal to response dot cookies user. So already I copied these sections, so I need to copy where here. Just copy this line and go to section here and just paste it to string. Now I am save the form and put the save all the forms, and now I am run the form default section form and click run and run. Here method 1 I am clicking, so I made some mistakes. So first of all I need to correct those mistakes. After that I will run the project. The error was this is because I am reading the cookies, not writing the cookies. So first of all I need to request dot cookies dot cookies. I need to use the cookies value to user and value 1 to string. One more thing, if request dot string not equal to null, then only it will work. Once it's null it won't work. Now I will save the project and run the default page. So here method 1 it comes again error. Method 2 is working. Now I am clicking method 1, it will work. So the cookies will stored here because once I will give the difference between cookies and session right now. Right now is working both. So now I am copy this URL and close the project like a browser and open the browser again. Now paste this URL and enter here. So the error will be coming because in default to form 2 section we code here it will reading the session, but the session is not there. So I need to use try catch right now. So because of I am avoiding this any errors, catch. So now just I am refreshing the form. I am using the catch function for separately. And copy. So this is method 1. Method 2. This is method 1. Now I am refresh the project here. See the method 1, I am refresh the project. The session won't work, but the cookies is work. So I am closing the form browser once again and open the project, and again I am running the project 2. So the session is not working, but the cookies will be working. Though that means the cookies it will work today because I expires today only. So it will work 24 hours. Likewise 24 hours once you created 24 hours is work, but the session it will be work in the browser will be open. How much time it will open, that time only the session will be work. Now I am going to the default section. So I am clicking the method 1. Now it will work both. I am not clicking the method 2. I am not clicking the method 2, but it will work both because the cookies already is created. Okay. Now I am copy this URL once again and go to another tab of this browser and enter. Now also is working. That means the session will work. How much time the browser will be open, but the cookies will work how much time you set the expire, like that. Likewise is working. Okay, I will teach another method of passing the values. That method means URL, right? Like URL, parameterized URL, likewise. Okay, now go to the default section. I need to create one more button. So just double click the button 3 will be come. Here I am changing the text to method 3. Here I am going to design section and double click here. Just I am copying this value. Here I need to pass one question mark, ID equal to retrieve. I am changing the URL. Now save the form and run the project once again. Now I am click button 3 right now. See the URL, like it will change likewise, but I need to read this URL right now. So I am going to the default form 2. Here I am copying this label once again and paste it. I am using break tag to see better viewing. Now this is label 3. Going to the code, here I am right. Here also I am using try catch method 3 try catch. Okay, inside the try options I am writing the code. Label 3 dot text equal to request dot query string, here id dot to string. So it will fetch the value from the URL and store it to label 3. Now run the default page and click here. Here I am clicking the method 2. It will read the, using this ID it will read the name. So now I successfully explained 3 methods. One is session method, another one is cookies method, another one is ID method, like URL parameterized method. So I am creating the parameterized URL. Based on this parameter I am fetching the value to another form. Okay guys, we will meet on next tutorial this concept. Okay, see you.